is Diamond from Diamond Shine. So guys, I'm excited to have you in the studio today. Today we'll be doing something really cool. We'll be making sugar scrub. But before I get into that, I want to let you guys know what I do during the week. During the week, I have coaching sessions with candle makers and soap makers just like you. Normally it's for candle making, okay? And so what I do is I basically talk to people about their business and where they're going. They get website assistance. People who are trying to figure out what kind of wax they need to use, they get that kind of help, wicking help, you name it. We talk about so much, and that is during the week. Now, the one-on-one coaching session goes about, pretty much what you need to talk about. It could be branding, it could be, where to buy your stuff from. It's just so many different things we talk about during the coaching session that, I can't even just really put a cap on it and say this is what we talk about. It's so much. Anyway, so moving on from that, guys, I want to talk about what we're getting ready to make. So we're getting ready to make some regular whipped sugar scrub, and it's going to be really cool because you could use this, you could produce this for your business. I'm not using a preservative because they already have preservative in the whip base. But if you do want to use a preservative, you can go on Brambleberry and get yours, because that's where I buy mine from. There's other places where you can buy them. Just look it up. Anyway, I'm using regular sugar, like the sugar that you would buy at Walmart with the small crystals. I'm using some fragrance from Nature's Garden today. I am using some vegetable glycerin. Also, I will be using a whipped soap base from Nature's Garden. I do prefer theirs a little better, although I do use the Wholesale Supplies Plus one for my coffee scrub and my bigger crystal scrubs, but not for this type of scrub, like with this sugar right here. I prefer that one for my bigger crystals. Okay, so look, before we just get all into all of this stuff, I want to tell you one more thing that I'll be using, and I'll be using these embeds. I got them off of eBay. They are some soap embeds. Yes, guys, even with soap embeds, I don't feel like making them, so I purchased them too. And so they are really cute. Anyway, you can make them by using some melt and pour soap, and you can get you some candle making molds or soap making molds, and you can use those and have a good time. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys up. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm excited. I'm so happy. Can't you just feel my joy? Can't you just feel my joy? Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, but listen, this is what we about to do. We about to whip. We about to nay-nay. We about to whip. We about to nay-nay. I hope I got the whole bag. I'm glad I got 2 bags. I wasn't even thinking about how much I was going to need, but I got 2 bags for some reason. So that's 29 ounces. So we're going to need 35 ounces. So this is our melt and pour soap base, and I added 1 ounce of glycerin. Very beautiful, very thick, guys. Very, very thick. You see how thick it is? This is very beautiful. I just want to play with this a little bit so you guys can see. It's very, very beautiful. Oh my God. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything out the way, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to color this. And after we color it, we're going to go ahead and put it into some jars. And this is a huge recipe, so I'm going to put mine into jars, but this is definitely going to fill a good 20 jars. I have a great feeling about it. All right, so y'all ready for that part? Yay, yay, yay. Let's do it. All right. This is the scrub. It's really cool. I like it. I would probably use the piping bag just to kind of mix the colors in a little better. But if you don't have one, then just go with what you got. Okay, and that's a nice old spoon. Alright, so guys, go ahead and hit that subscription button if it's your first time being on the channel. I like to welcome you, subscribe, and I'm going to do more videos. Alright.